This one lazy ass dog here won't get up for shit. Butch. We get you right back to motherfucking sleep. Oh, I tell you. Do you bite fleas? And his ass snores.